My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is the work day number 28. Lazy Sundays are meant for stretching. It is range and repair today. With range and repair, mainly focusing on legs, calves, thighs, ankles, I figured I'd spend some time doing some foam rolling, myofascial release, the little peanut ball, the medicine ball, and the foam roller, and just take care of a lot of the upper body stuff, pecs and shoulders and back. Whew. Good day? Good day. Please like, comment, and share if you want to continue to see me on this journey. And of course, the work will continue tomorrow.